everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Just Life TV. Today we are unboxing the REALME 8i. This is the last smartphone to complete the REALME 8 series. If you want to know what's inside this box, keep on watching. So today I'm back with another tech unboxing for Technomaria. We're gonna open the REALME 8i. But before that, I'd like to share with you some of its key features as highlighted on the box. It has a Helio G96 processor. That's why the hashtag for this smartphone is infinitely smooth. The Helio G96 processor makes working and enjoying entertainment on this unit infinitely smooth. To complement the Helio G96 processor, it comes with a 120Hz ultra smooth display. So whether you're working on this or enjoying some of your free time, the G96 processor and the ultra smooth display work hand in hand together to make sure that your productivity or your entertainment experience are both enjoyable. To make the experience even better, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and of course, this is very important nowadays, especially for work and for our social media needs. It comes with a 50MP AI triple camera. Let's know more about that in a while. Product code for this unit is RMX3151, and the color of this specific unit is space black, but it also comes in a very nice, gorgeous, very pretty stellar purple. There are two variants of the 8i. So this one is 4GB plus 64GB, meaning to say it has a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Tapos the second or the other variant has a 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. So let's go, let's see what's inside. Inside this first box, one thing that makes me super happy is a smartphone that comes with a case already. So it has a jelly case with it, and there's a quick guide, again very important, an information booklet, and of course it comes with a SIM ejector pin also. Ayan, nandito siya. So this is the phone, but before we go to the phone, it also comes with the charging adapter and the charging and data cable. So this one is USB-C type. So inside the box is the REALME 8i smartphone, an adapter, a USB cable, the information booklet with a warranty card, the quick guide of course, the SIM ejector tool, and the jelly case. So now let's open. Again, this is the space black unit. The black is actually like a bit purple as well. It's really gorgeous. So this is just a quick unboxing, guys. I'm not going to be opening the unit. I just really wanted to show you how it looks like. So it's actually very light compared to the current 5G phone that I use, and a bit lighter, I think, than the 6 Pro. So one of the trusted smartphones that I use right now is the REALME 6 Pro, which has 4 cameras. Ang ganda nila both, grabe. They're both so pretty. Oh my gosh. So it has a 50MP AI triple camera. So it has black and white lens and a macro lens. 50MP yung main camera or primary camera. So it also comes with a selfie camera that's 16MP naman. So you get to produce very nice photos both from the 50MP AI triple camera and the 16MP selfie camera. What's nice about the black and white lens or the B&W lens of this specific AI triple camera is you will be able to produce really nice black and white portrait photos. So I haven't tried that one, obviously, because I have just opened this, but I will definitely try it out, and I will share with you the photos that I will be taking with the triple AI cameras and the selfie camera of the REALME 8i. So make sure to follow me on social media, guys, para makita nyo the photos that I will be taking using this phone. Since I take a lot of food photos, I'm also very excited about the macro lens of the triple AI camera, because from a distance of just 4 centimeters, that's practically like less than 2 inches, 2 inches, mga ganito lang ang distance, guys, you will be able to produce really nice macro photos. So, super close up but also super detailed. So, hopefully, hindi ako tatama rin and I will be able to take lots of really nice food shots using my very new REALME 8i. It also has a 16MP selfie camera, but aside from the fact that it's 16MP, it also has a beauty mode. The 16MP selfie camera has 3 modes or 3 features that I'm also very excited about. First, you will be able to take HDR photos using the selfie camera. Second, you will be able to take portrait photos with the selfie camera. When I say portrait photos, I do not mean to say portrait orientation, but portraits with blurred backgrounds, may bokeh effect siya. And third, you will also be able to take pano selfie photos. Usually kasi, most smartphones have panoramic features, meaning to say you will be able to take really wide shots, but usually it's in the main camera only. With the REALME 8i 16MP selfie camera, you will be able to take panoramic shots using the 16MP selfie camera. Super exciting, right? So when I'm back to traveling again, I can take really good wide shots ng surroundings ko na panoramic, even if it's a selfie mode. So, hindi ako mahirapan na magtansya, guys, kung kasali pa ba ako sa shot. We cannot talk about the REALME 8i without talking about why it's tagged as an infinitely smooth smartphone. First, it has a Helio G96 processor. You can enjoy productivity apps, gaming apps, entertainment apps without it lagging. To complement the Helio G96 processor, it also has a 120Hz ultra smooth display. Again, if you're a gamer or if you are somebody who watches videos online a lot, this matters because it means to say that your processor and your display are both powerful enough to give you a smooth experience, hassle-free, and hindi ka mamroblema sa lag, hindi babagal yung game, yung streaming, or your productivity apps while you're working or enjoying your time with the REALME 8i. For a smoother productivity or gaming experience, it is also important to have long battery life. This is very important, especially for young professionals, entrepreneurs, and most especially students who are looking for a reliable smartphone that they can use for long hours. It has 5,000 mAh battery that will last you a long time. Translated into something more practical, the REALME 8i can last 28 days on standby, or if you are using it to stream on YouTube or for entertainment purposes, it could last up to 11 hours non-stop, or when you're using it to play your favorite mobile game, like me for example, I will probably use it for Mobile Legends Bang Bang, it can last up to 8 hours non-stop. So that means you will be able to fully utilize and enjoy the infinitely smooth gaming or entertainment experience on the REALME 8i. The REALME 8i smartphone also has a super power saving mode, which will allow you to use it for as long as 1.5 hours, even with just 5% battery life. But take note, guys, limited lang yung apps that you can use with 5% battery life. Of course, you cannot use it for gaming anymore, but you can use it for very important stuff like social messaging apps. Super reliable. So in times of emergency, you can still depend on it kahit na 5% na lang ang battery life. And just like most other REALME units, it comes with my favorite security features. So it has a super fast fingerprint sensor on the side, and you can also unlock it using facial recognition. It also comes with a triple slot tray over here on the side. It can hold 2 SIM cards and 1 SD memory card up to 256 GB. The REALME 8i runs on the REALME UI 2.0 already. It's already 2021, guys, so I'm happy to tell you that this can already connect to 5G. For the students out there who are looking for a reliable smartphone that they can buy for the school year and for the coming school years to use, the REALME 8i is something that is very reliable. It is very lightweight and it's also very gorgeous, guys. Who doesn't want a gorgeous phone, right? I mean, the specs are important, but it's also important that it looks nice. And so far, sa dami ng Realme na na-review ko, guys, this one really stands out because look at that. It's so sleek. And siguro ang maganda dito sa space black niya, I think it suits both professionals and students. So it's not like a boring type of black. The finish is really nice. Plus, it's lightweight because it's less than 200 grams. It's only 194 grams with the jelly case around 200 grams, more or less, I think. And it's just the right size. And of course, for students, it's also important to have nice cameras because, of course, for social media use, for submitting your work, and of course, a nice 16MP selfie camera in case that this is the unit that you are going to use for your online classes as well. Plus, of course, you can also do video recording. It's reliable enough that you can do your vlogs. Maybe one of these days, I'm going to do a vlog using the Realme 8i. Watch out for that one. And it's also very important nowadays that you buy a smartphone that's not only reliable, but also very budget friendly. A lot of you guys already know the suggested retail price of the Realme 8i since this is already out in the market. In fact, na-sold out ito agad, guys, from the Realme flagship store on Lazada. Again, there are two versions. So the suggested retail price for this specific variant, which is 4GB plus 64GB, is only 9,999. And the 6GB plus 128GB only retails for 11,999. So if you're looking for a new smartphone to buy this holiday season, out of the box, I'd recommend it because of the specs and how beautiful it is, and of course because it's super budget friendly. The 120 ultra smooth display, I think that's one of the things that I really wanted in a new smartphone that's affordable, because so far I've only seen that in the more expensive units of Realme. Plus, of course, the Helio G96 processor is really good news for me, especially if I'm going to use this for gaming and for streaming my favorite YouTube content, right? The 5000 mAh battery is really good for me. Plus, as a blogger and somebody who's online a lot, who posts a lot of stuff on social media, I think it's very good news that a phone this affordable has 50MP triple AI camera with a 16MP selfie camera, because I really need good cameras like all day, every day, because I document a lot of my life in photos and videos. I think those who are already familiar with this channel and those who follow me on social media know that about me already. If you want to know more about the Realme 8i, don't forget to visit my blog, Technomaria.com, because the complete specs will be on that blog. And maybe if I'm not able to upload a full review on this channel, the full review will probably be on my blog. Again, that's Technomaria.com. And if you want to see the photos that I will be taking with the Realme 8i, aside from my blog, of course, this will be uploaded on my social media accounts. So don't forget to follow me on social media. A lot of my photos will be on Instagram, Ria Jose Davao. And they will also be uploaded on Facebook, Ria Jose. And video content will be on Facebook, Diyosa Life, Twitter, Ria Jose. Don't forget to follow me on those social media accounts if you want to see more of my content that I will be creating using the Realme 8i. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you have any more questions about the Realme AI, or if you have content that you want me to produce using the Realme 8i. Don't forget to share this with your friends if they are interested in buying the Realme 8i, or if they are looking for a smartphone that's budget-friendly but powerful enough to give them an infinitely smooth experience throughout the day, be it for productivity, gaming, or entertainment. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell button so you will be updated if I have new unboxing videos and other tech content here on Diyosa Life TV. I hope you enjoyed this very quick unboxing of the Realme 8i smartphone. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Paalam. Bye!